Hi guys, today we're going to do a smoke detector test. In this house we have like 6 smoke alarms, and 2 are downstairs and 3 are upstairs. So these smoke alarms are made by First Alert. This detects both smoke and carbon monoxide. So let's test this. Okay, I can't reach the button. Probably I need to adjust my. Okay, we're gonna hold this button. 3, 2, 1. I was, I was literally standing under it. Yeah, it was doing carbon monoxide. So anyway, all the smoke alarms in this house are interconnected. So, oh yeah, and the one upstairs is also ringing. To test the smoke detector in this room, the quality isn't great. But anyways, this is just a smoke alarm. It doesn't detect CO2, and you have to hold it. It's so. Alright. Anyways, I'm gonna go. So I disturbed my mom and my sister, and all my sisters making fun of everything. Anyways, this is another First Alert smoke and carbon monoxide detector, which are most commonly found in houses. Wait, it's so hard to hold this with one hand. I wish I got a HD camera, but I lost that. Anyways, let's test this one. I'm literally standing under the smoke alarms. I'm getting half deaf. Anyways, let's hold this. On there. There goes carbon monoxide. Okay, let's go to. I'm in this room now. This one is circuitry. So let's just test this one. You have to hold it up, and this one rings a bit slower. Okay, anyways, alright, I'm in my bedroom now. I'm sorry if everything is messed up. I'm trying to make a panel with my fire alarm system that I showed you last video, and I have a circuitry, you know, the one you have to hold down, and it's just a smoke alarm. I mean, there are like 4 of these here. Oh, this is lower pitched. Anyways, let's go to the other room. I'm in my sister's room, and she also has the circuit. This was chirping a lot, so I had to change the battery like 2 times, and it finally stopped chirping. Cause last time I replaced it with a low battery, and this one only detects smoke. And by the way, all the smoke alarms in this house, they're ionizational. So I don't think they would detect smoke that quick, but these are the greatest brands. Oh my god. This isn't ringing, but it's interconnected. Okay, that's weird. This is acting like one of those old BRK smoke alarms. It makes a small buzzing sound, but like, I don't know, I think this needs to be replaced, and it's kind of slowly dying. It was just interconnecting, but it doesn't really ring much. Let me try testing it one more time. I hope it buzzes now. Oh my god, you can barely hear it. Okay, I guess that's